Okay. Now we have this elongated six-sided unit. Taking the top point here, you'll notice that this point is loose, this triangular point, and you'll notice that there is a little pocket right in that fold that we just made. We are going to take this point and insert it into that little pocket as far as it will go. And do this for all four sides. This little pocket here, insert that little point. Turn the unit over, do the same thing on this side. Open that pocket, insert this little point. Now note, right now this top is the closed point. But if you turn it around, you have an open point over here, and this is where we are going to blow into the unit. So holding the model in a kind of an X shape, loosely, blow into the hole. And feel free to kind of reform it a little bit, and you have your water bomb.